लर्न इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग थ्रू हिंदी। हिंदी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें। I've decided to plus verb. I've is a contraction of I have. You would include the word decided to state that you made a decision or come to a conclusion. I've decided to plus क्रिया। I have का एक संकुचन है। आप शब्द decided को यह बताने के लिए शामिल करेंगे कि आपने निर्णय लिया है या किसी निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचे हैं। Listen and repeat the sentences. वाक्यों को सुनें और दोहराएं। I've decided to implement this plan. I've decided to write a play. I've decided to manage a store. I've decided to speak the facts. I've decided to tell her the truth. I've decided to accept the job offer. I've decided to give him another chance. I've decided to change my bad habits. I've decided to reduce my workload. I've decided to hand over my responsibilities. I've decided to grow a beard. I've decided to complete my degree. I've decided to rent a car. I've decided to extend my membership at the gym. I've decided to work harder than ever. I've decided to forgive him. I've decided to cut my hair short. I've decided to sell my old coins. I've decided to purchase an electric toothbrush. I've decided to let him go. I've decided to spend some time at the hill station.